Hi, this is Bob at MGO Disney, where we're creating middle-age mayhem at the parks. Today we'll be providing a brief overview of the My Disney Experience app. This is a powerful tool to help you navigate all that is the Walt Disney World Resort. This is the official Walt Disney World app and can be found on the Google Play Store and through the Apple iTunes. Once you have downloaded the app, if you do not have a Disney account, you will need to create one. To look at some basic features of this app, for one, it'll show you all your upcoming plans. As you can see, I have a few different plans on my app, some restaurants, a hotel stay. It'll also show you the park hours. If you select all hours, you will see all 4 parks plus the water parks hours and Disney Springs. You can select different days and you can go out up to 3 months. On the bottom left, if you click the location setting, it will show you all the various wait times of rides throughout the park. As we look here at the Magic Kingdom, you can see, for example, that Space Mountain has a 95-minute wait time. Look for the rides with the least amount of wait time or something that's near you that's a quick, easy ride. You can also select from the drop-down menu dining here, and it'll show you all the restaurants within the park. You can do a mobile order also from this. Using mobile order, you would select a time slot, and then it would show you all the different menu options available. From here, you could select individual items, you can make customizations, and then you would actually purchase through this app, and the food will be ready for you when you are ready to pick it up. It'll also show you restrooms. There are a number of restrooms all throughout the park. On this app, when you are actually in the park, it'll show your location as a blue dot, and then you'll be able to tell your proximity to a different restroom. It'll also show you the various entertainment options if you select that from the menu below. For example, we'll select the parade. If you click the plus sign in the middle of the bottom, you can also check dining availability. You would select your party size, the date, the time window that you would like to eat, and it'll show you all the different restaurants that have open availability. If you select filter, you can also filter the location. So we'll select Magic Kingdom. It'll show us the various restaurants that have ability within our designated time slot. From here, you can select a restaurant, select a menu, and you can look at the different menu options. This is another place that you can also order food. From here, it'll show you all the different areas that offer mobile order. Then you could select the individual restaurant that you'd like to choose. Again, you would select a time slot, select your item. It'll allow some customization of the order, and then you can place your order. From the bottom right, you could select the tip board. The tip board is another valuable tool to show you all the different available of rides within the park. First, you need to select the park that you're in. So we'll select Magic Kingdom. As you scroll through here, it'll show you all the different rides and their wait times. Very similar to the map view. If you had chosen to purchase Lightning Lane, which is the Fast Pass option, it'll show you which rides are currently available for what time slots. Also from this screen, you can look at photos. It'll show you the various photos that you may have taken with various photo pass photographers. Also on the bottom, there's a search option here. If you're unsure of something or trying to find some information, you can go ahead and use the search bar. We'll type in parking, for example. This will show me all the different information regarding parking, whether it's theme park parking, resort parking. Another powerful tool, if you select the bottom right, is the Genie service. There's 2 options to the Genie service. There's the free service and then the Genie Plus. The Genie Plus is the Lightning Lane. Lightning Lane is essentially a fast pass. In the past, it was free at the Walt Disney World parks, but now it is a charge option, and it allows you to cut the line for many rides. When either using Genie or Genie Plus, you need to make sure that you select the people that are in your group so that they will all currently be on the same rides. You need to select your interests, what type of rides you're interested in, what type of experiences that you may be interested in. It'll also give you different options for entertainment, dining, and enchanting extras. Once you hit continue, this will help create a day for you based on your different likes and interests. It's just one other feature that they offer to help you have the best experience while visiting the parks. By selecting the My Profile option here and then go to Family and Friends list, it'll show you everybody who is in your family and friends list so that you can make sure that you're all sharing plans and able to coordinate. If you can't find somebody, you will need to add this guest. And there's a couple different options, a way of doing it. You can scan each other's barcode, look each other up by email, but you really want to make sure that you have your family and friends list accurate so that all plans are shared together. The basics of this app are easy to use and will help ensure that you have the best park experience. This app is free, so please take advantage of it. It's Disney's way to help ensuring you have the best day. We hope you have a wonderful time on your next visit to the Walt Disney World, and this video will help you navigate by using the My Disney Experience app. Please like our video, follow us on Instagram at mgodisney, and visit our Poshmark store at mgodisney for your pre-loved and used Disney merchandise.